Hi everyone, welcome back. Today, let's talk about the Huawei Pura 70 Ultra, a device that's not just stylish but also packs a punch with its performance and long-lasting battery life. Impressive battery performance. According to recent tips, the Pura 70 Ultra's battery outlasts its predecessor, the Mate 60 Pro, making it a standout in battery life. Beijing Digital Master at Weebler confirms that the Pura 70 Ultra's battery life is significantly better, offering ample power for daily use. Efficient design and features. Agino Digital also reported that the Pura 70 Ultra can last an impressive 7 hours and 47 minutes under regular use, showcasing its efficiency. With the Snapdragon 8 Gen 3 chipset, the device not only extends battery life but also enhances overall performance. Advanced camera and charging features. Huawei didn't stop at battery life. They equipped the Pura 70 Ultra with advanced camera features like the XQ Motion optical engine for quick and clear captures. The device supports super fast wired charging at 100 watts, wireless charging, and reverse wireless charging for added convenience. Conclusion and viewer interaction. While it's early to give a final verdict, initial reports highlight the Pura 70 Ultra as a powerhouse in both battery life and camera capabilities. Share your thoughts on this exciting device in the comments below. Stay tuned for more updates in our next video. Thanks for watching. Peace out.